Hello, hope y'all are doing well. I'm going to do another Halloween fall colors inspired pour, and I'm going to try the string pull with some chain, ball chain. I have done very few in my lifetime of 600 or 700 acrylic pours. I've maybe done less than 5 string pulls. They're not typically my thing, but I thought I'm going to give them a shot one more time. So today I'm using DecoArt colors, and I'm using Owatrol Easy Flow because it's a little thicker and richer and creamier than Floetrol, but you can use either one. Owatrol is European, and it's also in my Amazon link below my video. I've got about a 1 part paint to 2 to 3 parts Owatrol. I did add water because Owatrol is thicker than Floetrol, and typically Floetrol and DecoArt you don't really need to add water, but you do when you have Owatrol. And then I've got 2 metallics, and those especially need water. So the colors I have are a creamy white and black, which I'm going to put down on the canvas. And then I've got jack-o'-lantern orange. This is a mixture of cadmium yellow and honey brown. This one is a mixture of Georgia clay, and I combined some antique maroon in it to make it a little bit deeper. True red. This one is antique bronze metallic. This one is gold. Not 24 karat gold, just regular gold. Outdoor living. DecoArt. So, those are my colors. And I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strands of chain. And I may or may not use all of them, or maybe even more. Not sure. First thing I'm going to do is coat the canvas with black paint so get it a little bit more centered. I love these little silicone cups. They're fabulous, and they hold about 3 ounces or so. So they're great for reusing over and over again. This is a fondant cake icing fondant spreader by Wilton. It's in my Amazon recommendations, and you can usually find it in the party section, the cake Wilton party section with all the other cake stuff. I'm trying not to put it on like super thick, so I'm not sure exactly what thickness it really needs to be for string pulls, but we will see. I haven't done it this way before, so it'll be interesting to see how this pans out. I got to figure out my lineup of colors first. Okay. That was not too bad. I thought it was starting kind of rough. I got a little bit more of a hang of it as I went along. So don't be afraid to tackle something new that you've never tried or you're not really good at. Just keep working at it. I'm pleased with the overall composition of this and the colors. I just want it to dry this way fairly close and I'll be happy. Cleaning up anything that looks a little cattywampus. But pretty much most of the stuff is covered up with the chain pulls enough to where I'm pleased with it. I didn't have silicone in any of the colors, so I didn't really want cells. I don't really want cells right now. I wonder if I should do just a white right there. And there's no rules that you can't, alter something a little bit if you want to. No rules whatsoever. I like it. I'll bring it up to you. And I'll put a picture of the finished, dried painting at the end. So all that, I'm going to leave it to dry on my puppy pad. That will make great skins. You can even tilt and swish a little bit. Spread it and distribute it a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you will, and click on the bell on the bottom right if you want notifications when I post new videos. Check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop and a down arrow on your mobile device. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.